Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Tether from Phantom Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT quickly and securely, you're in the right place. Tether is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between wallets like Phantom and exchanges like Bitmart is easier than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll be doing this like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that you have some Tether, USDT, in it. If you don't, head over to the App Store or Phantom's website to set it up. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, open your Phantom Wallet and navigate to your assets. Find the USDT token in your wallet balance. Next, you'll need your Bitmart wallet address. Hop over to the Bitmart website or app, log into your account, and go to the deposit section. Select USDT. Double-check that it's on the same network as your Phantom wallet, like Solana or Ethereum, to avoid any issues. Copy that deposit address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, select your USDT and hit the Send or Transfer button. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network fees. They're usually low, but they add up, so keep an eye on them. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a prompt to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once approved, sit tight while the blockchain processes it. This usually takes just a few minutes, but times can vary based on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, head back to Bitmart and check your account balance to confirm the USDT has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, always double-check addresses and use two-factor authentication for extra security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. There you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from Phantom Wallet to Bitmart. It's simple once you know the steps, and it opens up more opportunities for trading and investing. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.